Right, we're going to make some Christmas trees. Now these are very simple to make again. No cooking involved apart from melting your chocolate. You need some cornets, okay, which I've already taken some out. Okay, you get your cornet and you fill it up with whatever sweets. I've got Skittles, so I'm going to fill mine up with Skittles, and then they end up looking like that. So fill your cone up with Skittles, okay, and then just put it somewhere where it can stand. Hopefully I'm hoping it like that. Okay, just for now, just fill up all your cornets with your Skittles, and then we're going to do the next part. My chocolate, as you've probably got a few lumps in it. I'm just going to keep stirring it. I don't want to put it in the microwave for too long because otherwise the chocolate can burn. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure it's got no lumps in it. Okay, chocolate's completely melted now, all the lumps are gone. Now what you need now, you need a biscuit that will cover the top of your ice cream cone. Okay, just a plain biscuit, plain cookie, depends where you come from, just to cover up the cone, keep the sweeties inside. I'm going to stick one of them on with a bit of chocolate, and then I'll show you what we do next. Right, I've stuck the tops on, as you can see. I've just used a little bit of some chocolate and just stuck. Make sure you've got the flap of the biscuit on the bottom, alright? And then what we're going to do now is just cover the whole of the cone in chocolate. I've put some greaseproof underneath because this bit's obviously a bit messy. And then we'll show you in a sec. Yay! Right, as you can see, all I've done is cover the tops in chocolate. Okay, we're going to let that dry, and then we can turn the cones over and cover the rest in chocolate. But do that bit first, let it dry, then you can turn them over and cover the rest of the cornet in your chocolate. Okay. Right, as you can see, they've dried. Okay, so you've got the biscuit holding in all the sweets inside. Now all we're going to do now is just dribble the chocolate over the top of the tree or the cornets to make the trees. Now you see the cornet. What I'm just going to do is just cover it in chocolate. Just let it run down. If you start right at the top, it'll just run down the cornet. Okay, and just cover your tree. If you're having trouble covering it and it's not running properly, just you can use your spoon, you can use a spatula to spread the chocolate out a bit more if you want to. Okay, but obviously the chocolate runs down anyway. Alright, I'm gonna do this, and then see this bit's covered, and then I will get back to you. Right, now before it sets, you want to start decorating it and covering it in your decorations. You can cover it in your bowls. I've got little twinkle stars, and just cover it and make a Christmas tree. You can decorate however you want. Okay, you can put some tinsel on it by using icing or different colour twinkles, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to decorate this one and I'll show you what it looks like when it's completely finished. Okay, you end up with, just decorated it with some bowls and stuff and some twinkle, edible glitter, and you end up with chocolate Christmas trees. Now you don't have to cover them in dark chocolate. If you don't want to, you can use white chocolate, and then you can, if you're going to use white chocolate, you can dye it green, and make yours green Christmas trees, but my children like milk chocolate, so that's why I've done them like this. But you can experiment as much as you like. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope you have a lovely Christmas, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now. Bye 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 bye.